Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show y'all a few different styles that you can style your old mini twists in, or even your new ones, but preferably your old ones, because these styles will kind of stretch them. And if they're new, you want to wear them out. You want them to be plump. You don't want to stretch them. So if you are somebody who is like almost on the end of week 1, week 2 for your mini twist, and you want to pull them up and just know cute styles to do, then just keep watching this video. So this is what my old twists are looking like. They're about 8 days old in this clip. So the first style that I think would be super cute is just to pin up, the side that look the craziest, and just put a bobby pin in it and wear it with one side pinned up. I think it's super cute. I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate ya. So for the next style, we're going to go ahead and separate the front few twists from the rest to leave out a bang, and then in the back we're just going to pull all the twists up into a high ponytail. After the hair is up in a pretty decent ponytail, you're going to take that same bobby pin that you used for the first style and just use it to clip your twist over, so the twist can stay on one side. From that, you have our second look, a high ponytail with some bangs. Super cute. So for this next look, we're going to keep everything exactly the same, except we're going to take off this ponytail holder and put it right back on. But on the last loop, we're only going to go through halfway because we're making a bun. So once that's done, we have our third look, a high bun with bangs. Super easy, super cute. Okay, so for this next style, I'm literally just pulling all of my hair back, all of the twists, making sure it's neat, and pulling them all back to the back of my head to create a low ponytail. And once we get that done, we have our fourth style, a simple low ponytail. So for the fifth style, we're literally just taking a ponytail holder out and creating a bun. So if you really don't like the ponytail and you like buns, then this is for you. The fifth style is a low bun. I want to cut in and say, I don't have any headbands over here with me, but you can always add a headband just to make this super, neater, especially if your edges are a little frizzy. Add a headband, boo. Alright, so this next style is super quick, super easy, super simple. So as you see, I am just separating the top half from the back half, and then right here you're going to see me kind of twist my hair backwards, and then I'm just going to bring it to the back, take a ponytail holder and tie it up. This is basically a half up, half down, or whatever you want to call it. It looks really good when your edges is laid, but it's still cute either way. I like it. It's very simple. So for this next style, we're going to leave out the 2 twists in the very front and pull up all of the rest of the hair and put it into a super loose little ponytail on top. I'm only going to wrap my ponytail holder around twice. And with this ponytail, you could wear the ponytail straight back. You could, wear it over to the side. But after I figured that out, I'm actually going to take that same bobby pin and pin over those 2 twists just to make sure they don't go flopping around. They stay right in place. So that's a tip if you decide to do this. So for this one, we're literally just going to tighten the ponytail and go ahead and do one more loop through, but only pull it halfway through. And we're going to have, you know, just a very loose, super cute bun. Very simple, very easy. But I like this a little more than the one before this one, actually. This one is just a little cuter to me. So this next style is very, very easy. So as you see, I'm just parting off the front section of my hair once again. And as you can see, I'm leaving those two front pieces in place. So once you get the front half completely separated, you know, parted off, you just pull it up, put it into a little ponytail holder. And once it's, you know, tied up, you're going to wrap your hair into a little bun, just creating a half up, half down. And this with the, you know, little twist in the front that's out, and the hair in the back is just super cute. So for the last style, all I'm doing is taking down that bun and lightly, you know, maneuvering some twist around. But that's pretty much it. This is my favorite one. I think it's super cute, and it's just one you can't go wrong with. Okay, y'all, so I don't even know how many styles that was. It was much more than what I thought I was gonna do. But if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which style was your favorite, and so on and so forth. I don't even know, just comment. Share this video with a friend. I would really appreciate it. And also subscribe to my channel. Like I said in my most recent video, we finally hit 155 subbies. Super excited. Now the goal is 200. So just help me reach that. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I mean, do that for your girl. Help me reach 200. It won't hurt you. It's free. Do that. Okay, y'all. Bye.